In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at Azure Serverless. Azure Serverless is a cloud-based technology which allows us to have scalable applications without worrying about scaling the infrastructure. In other words, we can say that using Azure Serverless technologies like function apps, one can be rest assured that their applications will be available 24/7 and they will meet the user demands. The best thing is that the function apps are called only when required. We call it as on-demand execution. The bottom line is that as developers, we are only concerned with implementing business logic, and that too in popular languages like C#, Java, Python. And other than that, rest everything else is taken care by Azure itself. So you don't have to go with load balancers, you don't have to scale your servers, you don't have to worry about how much RAM your server has got, and things like that. So if you just see how it's going to work, you can consider that your code as an API, and that will be basically hosted as Azure Functions. In case your functions require some kind of database connectivity, Azure offers Cosmos DB for that, and you can connect it with that, and voila, you can have your own Azure Serverless implementation. That's what we will be exploring in our course as well.